Hello everyone. The Syrian civil war has been a defining feature of the Middle East geopolitical landscape for over a decade. As the conflict rages on, a new development has sent shockwaves around the world: the disappearance of Syrian President Bashar al-Assad. As of December 8, 2024, Assad's whereabouts are unknown, and the international community is left wondering what this means for the future of Syria. The events leading up to Assad's disappearance began on December 7, 2024, when opposition forces secured complete control of Homs. Following approximately 24 hours of concentrated military engagement, the rapid collapse of government defenses resulted in the hasty withdrawal of security forces. As the opposition forces closed in on Damascus, Assad's situation became increasingly precarious. In the days leading up to the fall of Damascus, Assad's family had already relocated to Russia. Assad's wife, Asma, and their children had fled Syria, seeking safety in the Russian Federation. This move was seen as a clear indication that Assad's regime was on the brink of collapse. The international community has been watching the developments in Syria closely. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan expressed hope for peace and stability in Syria after 13 years of conflict. The Biden administration's officials began considering the likelihood of Assad's regime collapsing within days. The disappearance of Bashar al-Assad marks a significant turning point in the Syrian civil war. As the situation continues to unfold, the world waits with bated breath to see what the future holds for Syria and its people. Will Assad resurface, or has his regime finally come to an end? Only time will tell. As the dust settles, the international community is left to ponder the future of Syria. Will the country be able to rebuild and recover from the devastating effects of the civil war, or will the power vacuum created by Assad's disappearance lead to further instability and conflict? The answers to these questions will have far-reaching implications for the Middle East and the world at large. The mysterious disappearance of Bashar al-Assad is a developing story that continues to unfold as the world waits with bated breath to see what the future holds for Syria and its people. One thing is clear: the Syrian civil war has entered a new and uncertain phase. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.